Struggling with loose, wrinkled, or sliding seat covers? Stick around, because I'll show you how to install them the easy way so they fit snug, look great, and last longer. Installing seat covers might seem like a simple task, but getting that perfect fit takes the right approach. Today, we'll go step by step to make sure your covers look like they came with the car. Why it's important: proper installation keeps your covers from slipping, bunching, or tearing. It also protects the original seats from dirt, spills, and sun damage while giving your car interior a fresh upgrade. What to consider: before you start, check the size and type of covers you bought. Some are universal while others are custom fit. Also, consider materials like leather, neoprene, or fabric since installation can vary slightly. How to use properly: first, remove headrests and slide the seat cover over from top to bottom. Secure hooks and straps under the seat to prevent shifting. Reinstall headrests and cover them if separate pieces are provided. Make sure everything is tight and wrinkle-free. Maintenance and care: once installed, vacuum or wipe them down regularly to avoid dust buildup. If they're removable, take them off every few months for a deeper clean. This will keep both the covers and the original seats in great condition. Common mistakes to avoid: don't rush the installation. Skipping straps or hooks will make covers slide around. Avoid pulling too hard, which can rip seams. And don't forget to cut small slits for seat belt or latch openings if your covers don't come pre-cut. Cost comparison: professional installation can cost around $75 to $200 depending on the shop. Doing it yourself costs nothing extra, and with a little patience, you can achieve the same professional look. Real-life experiment: we tested 2 sets of seat covers, one installed in a hurry and one carefully step by step. The rushed job slipped and wrinkled within a week, while the careful installation stayed tight and comfortable even after daily use. Quick tips: lay the covers out in the sun for a few minutes before installing. They'll stretch more easily. Start with the back seat since it's trickier. Then move to the front. Keep a small flat tool or butter knife handy to tuck in fabric around tight edges. Installing seat covers is quick and simple when you follow the right steps. With a little effort, you'll get a sleek, secure fit that protects your seats and makes your car interior feel brand new.